Hey, welcome everybody to a new concept we call
The basement series?
Labs! Woohoo!
Yeah, I am gonna take advantage today and be in a role of guest. I realized that I didn't have a chance to properly introduce myself to our dear listeners. So I am actually a systems engineer working at Cisco Meraki. So guess what kind of demo we're gonna get today?
I think we're gonna see a demo on Meraki.
Absolutely. So let's jump right into it.
Nice.
Lovely.
So you're gonna show your home network?
In fact, no. I'm gonna show our office network because it's a bit bigger and we have more statistics on that.
All right, so let's jump in.
Yeah, sure. Let's do that. So it wouldn't be a surprise if we would build our own network not based on the Meraki tools. So with that, I'm just gonna take advantage of it. Here I would like to start with having a look at organization overview page on the Meraki dashboard. So from here, any systems administrator might start his or her day. So we're gonna quickly have a look on the networks out there in the organization, if everything is okay, if something is going wrong, represented by red color. If everything is green, you can just lay back and enjoy your coffee during the day. All right, so with that, let's just focus more on the clients, because at some point system administrator might want to have a look on how clients feel like during the day. Okay.
We are moving to clients.
Yeah, we're exactly moving to clients. So here we're loading statistics. We actually can load statistics for any kind of period of time, not just of the last day, but we can move throughout the week or throughout the month, doesn't matter, because cloud collects all the statistics for us. So from here we can actually get an information about different types of clients that we have. It could be wired, wireless, the ones that are online, offline. We can also have a sneak peek on what kind of applications they're using. Probably some of them might enjoy YouTube throughout the day.
Hold on, but we're looking at a business environment, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Just checking. All right.
Yeah. That's.
Oh, they're watching our videos, of course. That's it. That's it.
Good one. All right. So with that, let's maybe find somebody who is online, because maybe I'll find some of my colleagues connected here.
Oh, but this is actual real-time data.
Yeah. Yeah,
Awesome.
that's true. That's true. So we can have reporting, as I said, for any kind of period of time. So with that, let's just click onto any device that we see here, just to get an information about the client device and the let's say broadness of the information that we can get. As you can see here, we're not only getting information about what type of device it is, but we can also get the whole trace, how this device is actually connecting to the network, and if each and every step is doing good. So let's say if we're connected to the Wi-Fi, we know, okay, that the Wi-Fi is working right, access point is doing okay, connection between the access point and the switch, so we can continue up until the end. So we can troubleshoot and not spend a lot of time by CLIing into each and every device and spending time on troubleshooting throughout the day.
So basically you're saying that even I can do it. That's what you're saying.
Yes, anyone can do it. Really, Meraki is truly simple tool that benefits any IT team. So with that, let's just jump into Topology, because it's another advantage that any kind of organization that uses Meraki can leverage. The whole idea here is that we automatically get information about the network, and we know where everything is connected. So we know information about our core switches, distribution layer switches, access layer switches, and also end devices. So we can even have a visibility up to the level of cameras and sensors. Isn't that great?
That is fantastic.
Yeah, that's absolutely is. So let's think about systems administrator ending its day, his or her day. So with that, we can just jump into summary report. And this is something that you can use to just have a overall view of the whole status of the network. So from here, okay, we're interested in Meraki London office, and we'll just drill down into top devices, top clients by usage. We also can get an information about top operating systems, things like that. Think about it as a report that you can send to your manager, maybe in the end of a day or right before the team meetings that you have. So you can just click to schedule this report and just choose recipients of this report. And that's the end of a day for our systems administrator.
Wow! I mean, so intuitive and so easy to use. I mean, I'm impressed.
It is indeed. It is indeed. So, by the way, Meraki is working with a trial program, so any of our customers can go ahead and try out those gears and actually how it looks and feels through the dashboard.
So should we share the link on where they can get the trial?
Absolutely.
Nice. All right, Sofya, I would say thank you very much.
No
Thank you for
problem.
joining us now in our first ever TBS Labs, and I'm pretty sure we're going to do a lot more of them, right?
Absolutely. I'm looking forward to it.
Boom!
Bye.